Good girl.
He know how to chew. You know the camera is on, huh?
No more?
Oh,
Oh,
how about your
there's nothing
spoon?
in there.
Your spoon? Oh,
Which
your
one?
spoon?
That one?
Yeah.
Okay, this one. This one got the real stuff in it.
Mama. Yummy.
Yeah, she likes it a little thicker.
Yeah.
Okay, that one? Okay, eat that one first. Mmm. Mmm. How about this one? This one's better.
That's what I should let her hold to get her.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah, you're hungry. You're learning real quick. Look at that. That was good. Okay, that's good. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. And how about this spoon? This one has the real foods in it. Mmm. How about a little thicker? You want to make it a little thicker? A little bit? Let's
No,
try.
that's enough.
Huh?
That's enough.
Want to try?
I already tried it.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
Oh
One more
no! You dropped your spoon.
Look, she can eat it.
Yep.
I say we make it thicker.
The next one.
Okay.
Let her stomach
Okay.
get used to it. Where's your spoon? You want another spoon? Let's get her spoon.
She likes it.
Here.
She's like, she's like, yeah. Good girl.
Are you gonna have her finish it?
Yep. I'm gonna finish this.
She's gonna be like knocked out. Hi, baby. Yum 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 yum. You're taco. Look at her. She got cross-eyed trying to look at the spoon. Oops, oops, Daddy, it's coming out of her mouth. I think she
Okay.
might be done.
No,
Try
she's
a
not
little bit
done.
more.
She's not done. She's just sloppy. Okay. Look, she gets all excited. Ooh.
But she likes the color of the spoon too.
Good girl. You're quick.
This looks like the Dumbledore scene
Which one?
where he
Oh.
keeps making him
Yeah.
drink. Just a little more, Harry. Or Professor. Should I stop taping now?
Yeah, it's long enough.
Okay.